there, guys and girls? Welcome in here to the channel. It's actually been dark here all day, and the time now close to 1:30. It was my plan to clean up, but it's a little hard when not so much light. So now I will have a simple lunch, and after that I will clean up the kitchen. This is baking soda, and that's not for eat, but I will show you a little later what I will use it for here in the kitchen. So I hope you enjoy me after my lunch. My simple dinner for today. So if you look down here in the sink, I don't know if you can see there is water in, and it's a little hard to get the water out. That I will try to fix after my lunch with simple doing. So follow me after the lunch and see. Hello out there, if you are still here, I turn around with more light. Yeah, here it comes. Hello out there, and if you are still here, so I have a little problem with my kitchen sink. I want to show you when I come water in, it not run out, so I see a little trick on the internet. I want to show you. I hope it works here also. That you see here is my kitchen sink, and when I come the water in, it not runs so fast out. I will show you. Have about 3 millimeters of water, and it not runs out. You can see there is still water, and it runs slowly out here. I see a little tip at the internet, and I will try that now. I take a cup, put hot water in from the pipe, so I need 2 small spoons of baking soda. And after that I come soap for dishwashing. Now have to mix it around. And then put it in, and let us see what will happen now. So I put water in here. Let us see if the water runs out. Wow, it already works. All the water is out in 10 seconds, I think. And now my kitchen sink works again, and I can start up to clean all the dirt I have in the kitchen sink. Now I have put lots of clean soap in my sink, and I only start to rub it, and so I will see it's shiny and finish in short time. So let us see. And so now we will see if it still works here for the water to run out. It's actually do, but it's not super fast. The sink it's be nearly clean and shiny. So that's it. Maybe I need to go out tomorrow and buy some little help, because it's work, and maybe it's work more if I come more baking soda and more soap for dishwash. Let us try one time more and see what happens. So I have a cup here with hot water from the pipe, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. I take 1/4 amount of tablespoon with baking soda. I don't know if you can see. Now it's fall down and it's bubble a little. Maybe it's a good idea if I make it work alone. So, and after that let us try to come soap in for dishwasher. I give it about a push, and so let us try now to put it out and see what happened. So this one can go to the dishwasher. Yeah, let us see. First the hot water. There's 2 or 3 millimeters water in the sink, and it's not run super fast. There's still water in, and yeah, it's hot water from the pipe. It's not super fast to get out, but maybe if I let it be here and not touch it anymore, and it can stand and works a little. So maybe it will run out. Now it bubbled, now something happened. This is still a small bubble. And maybe something happened. We will see what happened. In 45 minutes I will start to make my dinner, and so we'll go back and see what happened with the sink here. I try to put a little cold water in and see what happened. Maybe something happened more. Maybe something happened now. Before I leave, try to put hot water in. And so let us see how fast it will runs out. And yeah, it's really slowly to run out. It's shiny, you can see here. It's a LED light from the kitchen, and now the camera be foggy. I don't know if you can see. There's still water here, and water go here on my fingers, so it's not good, and it not work 100%. So yeah, don't do this at home because it not works. I will go out and buy some stuff tomorrow who can help and who can work 100%. It's only a little investment. It's not cost so much, but I will be back tomorrow and show you how to do and how to use it. Yeah, we make a follow-up tomorrow, and so you can see what happened when the show time tomorrow. So I will show you it be clear and the water run out 100%. Cause now, yeah, not so much happened, and there's still a little water. Now the last one runs out, but I can see it's only out of the sink. It's only under here, and it's bubble. Maybe it's mean it works. So it's time for warm up the dinner, and maybe I make a little too much so I can use it tomorrow for my lunch, and I can warm it up in the microwave, because in the middle of the day the power is not so expensive. Here in 50 minutes the power goes expensive here, so it's time now to warm up the food. Here I make it before on the video. It's a spicy chicken wings. I think, if you can see, I think the factory put chili on. It's called hot wings. Let us see what they put in. Oregano and chili and basil. That's nice. So it's too spicy. So that is for 1 or 2 times more. Now I want to put a little salt on the chicken, because if I can do, I want to have it crispy, but it's not always impossible when they already have put spicy on. When I make my own chicken, so I always put salt on and paprika pepper, and the salt do the skin crispy. So about 30 minutes, so the potatoes, as you see here, they are frozen now, but so they will be crispy too. That was all from today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed to make it for you. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. It's what's important for me, and it's what's important for the video, so others can have benefit of it too. Remember to subscribe under here if you don't have to yet, and remember to use the bell button so you got notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for today. I will be back tomorrow with an update about the sink if you want to follow that. And yeah, thanks for now. Have a good Saturday out there. Bye bye.